Hi there, I'm Adrian, one of the founders here at Cademy. In this video, I'll give you a quick demo of the Cademy admin dashboard to help you get started more quickly. Now, I've already created an account and logged in. And if you haven't done that yet, please create an account first. And once you're logged in, you can just go into the courses section to create a new course. You can see that I already have a few courses listed, although all of them are unpublished. So to create a new course, you just click on the Create Course button and you pick the type of course that you want to create. The first options at the top are for courses that need to be booked. So usually these are courses that are taught by someone. And then there's the on-demand courses option here. So if you want to upload content like videos that customers will watch on their own time, and it's kind of taught in a self-taught type approach where the student does all the learning themselves. That's the option for you. And then of course there's a blend of the two where there's some online content like videos plus classes that happen with a teacher. So these are the options for you, and you can learn more about each of the individual options by clicking on the learn more buttons against each type. Right, once you create your course, it should be actually super straightforward for you to get started creating classes. When you create a new class, you're able to go on and edit all your details on the panel on the left, and then you'll see a real-time preview as you're making your edits on the right side here. And you're able to edit your dates or content from the middle tab usually, and that'll be all. And there's videos on how to do all of those things, and they go in depth on how to set everything up. Now, once you create and publish a course or two, simply click on the View Courses button at the top of the courses page to be taken to what we call your landing page. And this is where your customers can come and browse and book and order any of your courses with ease. So they simply click on one of your courses and go through the process and pay safely through here. Once they purchase a course, they're going to get a confirmation email, and you'll get one as well. But in their confirmation email by default, there's also going to be a link, which when clicked, it'll take them to, you automatically log them in and take them to the course that they purchased. So they're going to be able to see all the courses that they bought from you in a single place. So it's very nice and simple. Now, when I come back to my courses here, if I click on one of them, I'll see a few more details like who's booked onto each class. And I can also add in more dates or edit my dates from here. Although you can edit anything about your course by clicking on the edit button at the top right, and that's going to take you back into the course editor. Very nice and simple. Now, you saw me earlier look at the bookings for that specific course, but you can look at all your bookings across all your courses within here. So within the booking section on the left, and you can also see all of your contacts across all your courses from the contacts section here. So you can also select your bookings and contacts and email them with ease. And you can also use this search option to search across your contact's name or emails from the same place. And if you click on one of your contacts, this is where it gets really awesome. So you'll see all the contact details, and you're actually able to add in more details here if you need to capture their date of birth or more information about them. You can have full control over their contact details, but you'll also see a full list of all the interactions you've had with them. So all the orders they booked and what the classes they've attended before, all of them are going to be here. You'll even see all the emails you send them and whether they opened or clicked on them. So this is the email that logged me in earlier in the video. It says here that I've clicked on it. And I can also add notes through here, just like so. Great guy, but has a weird accent. There you go. Save. The note is here. I can click to edit or delete. Now, you saw me look at the profile page or the landing page here. And if you want to update the details on this page, you simply have to go into the profile section. And this is where you'll be able to upload your logo and the profile cover, as well as write in a biography and the links that will show at the top of the page. In addition to that, you can take bookings not only through this landing page, but you can also install an app that we offer through our app section that will allow you to embed your courses right on your website. So simply click on this app, click on the install button that will show, and you're going to be able to follow the instructions for how to install this system across a few different platforms. But you can always reach out to us and we'll help you get up and running with it as well. So here's an example what that looks like when embedded into a website. As you can see, it's quite a nice, seamless experience. The customer can simply navigate, search, browse, pick a course they want, and book and pay without ever leaving your website. So it's very nice. In addition, there's a few more apps here. Stripe will help process payments very quickly for you and make sure that they end up in your bank account as soon as possible after the student places a booking. Zoom will allow you to quickly create online classes when you set them up, to link them with a Zoom meeting. The Gmail app is pretty cool. It allows you to import bookings from other platforms like Eventbrite and TripAdvisor and Craft Courses. They're all going to automatically be imported in here, and all the courses and the capacity will change automatically as well. So you'll have all your contacts in a single system, so you'll be able to keep track of them very easily. And lastly, the Vouchers app lets you set up gift cards and promo codes through Cademy. So pretty awesome. Now, if you have any questions, please get in touch through the live chat at the bottom right, or by email, or anything else that works. If you need help with the setup, there's a button here also to arrange a call. We're always happy to chat to you. My job here is to make sure that you are up and running with Cademy. If you're not set up with us, it's my fault, so I'm failing at my job. Please reach out. Please get us to help you. We're always happy to chat, and we're always happy to assist. Right. If there's anything else that I can do, please get in touch. Thank you so much, and take care.